until we break it over on the level. This Willaroo is a good 15-minute plan. I can read.
Who's the attorney for this substance? Ms. Gonzalez?
That's Harry Bachman.
Where's Harry Ball?
He's in the main room.
Let's go. There, Mr. Bachman.
Harry Bachman.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are we ready to go?
I am. We are.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Williams Law, Mr. Berry, Ms. I don't know if Ms. Harris is back. Ms. Thomas, let's get ready to go. All right. Are we ready on Ms. Gonzalez?
Ready.
Can we get Mr. Berry's mic muted? I'm just getting some background noise from.
We're getting background noise from your mic, Mr. Berry.
It's muted now.
Let's go. This is the city of Detroit versus Angelita Gonzalez, case number Z8086701. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court. Harry Bachman, P55052 for the defendant. May I please state your name?
Angelita Gonzalez.
Judge, we're here for the purpose of sentencing the defendant previously pled guilty to a drinking and driving offense. We have, for the purpose of sentencing, reviewed the pre-sentence information together. We find it to be factually accurate. There are no additions, corrections, or deletions. And at this time, we have no objections to the recommendation contained therein.
Have you read the report?
Did.
I have an issue. I'm disturbed by it.
Let me refer to the which portion of the report you're referring to, Your Honor.
The fact that on the okay, first of all, let's talk about the level 0.254. I mean, that's very, very, very intoxicated. And the fact that she didn't even feel, at least that's what it reads in here, she didn't even feel that she was intoxicated like that. Am I reading that correctly? Secondly, she has another case that she's still on probation for in the 27th district court. And I thought I read here that she says she has no intentions on stop drinking.
I don't know if that was the reading that should be given to the defendant's sentiments. She's here. She strikes a sober picture here. And now, Your Honor, the defendant has done 5 days in the Wayne County Jail subsequent to a ruling, and I think it's the 27th District Court. She continues to be on probation and is on an alcohol tether at present. So we have in place everything we need to ensure, number one, the public safety against the defendant, but to ensure that the defendant is compliant. And we, quite frankly, respectfully happy for the defendant to be given the privilege for 18 months probation, considering everything, Your Honor. I do believe that the court's concerns are legitimate and are, this comes from a dark place. Ms. Gonzalez comes from a dark place, but she's going to emerge like the legendary Phoenix, Your Honor, through our help. She's embraced sobriety. She realizes that she has a problem. She's attending meetings. She's doing everything that really she could do subsequent to being in a bad place, making poor decisions, endangering the public. And she's acknowledged all those things. She hasn't been recalcitrant in any respect when it comes to this case in this court. We pled guilty here. We didn't challenge any of the allegations in the complaint and submit ourselves here and now for just a chance, Your Honor, a chance to show that we can comply. And my client certainly knows that if he violates in any fact this court's terms and conditions, that it's going to be a quick trip to the lockup. I think that fact isn't lost on the defendant here and now, but respectfully, we do ask for an opportunity, a continued opportunity, and I would just base my request based on the fact that what she's done since this has happened. You know, she has submitted to alcohol test. She's on probation. She's going to meetings and all those things. I don't want to restate them, Your Honor. But
also, defendant says that I did read that. I thought I read that somewhere where she says she just doesn't plan on stop drinking. Another issue is
I've never once said that. I've never once said.
Wait a minute.
I'm sorry.
I'm reading the report, and I'm just going off the report, and I'll find that paragraph. And if I'm reading it wrong, then my apologies. But this is what you went over the report with your counsel. Now, the other issue I have is that, well, let me ask you. Are you trying to stop drinking, Ms. Gonzalez?
I've been sober. I've completed 30 days on the alcohol tether. I'm not on the tether anymore. I have no desire, honestly, to drink again. So I don't know why if that is said in the report, I'm not sure why that's even said, because that's completely false.
yeah, I missed that part.
There was a part that I couldn't pull up. Like, I don't know if that's on the second page, but when I was trying to go through my email to read the report, there's one part that does not load. So I don't know if that was in that portion, but I did not see that at all. But with my other probation, I've completed 70 hours of community service. I'm in substance abuse counseling plus regular therapy. I have completed 30 days on the alcohol tether. I have been sober. I've been testing negative. I'm currently back at work and doing great at work. And on top of that, what else did I do? Oh, and I did have to serve 5 days at Wayne County back in September.
So did we do the victims impact panel and the Mothers Against Drunk Driving?
I have to actually, I got assigned that through Wyandotte. And since I am back at work, I can now afford to be able to register. I was out of work from July up until last week because I had an injury I had a knee injury and had to get surgery. So now I'm actually back at my job.
So if there's any portion of the report which attributes the defendant to having said that she doesn't intend to stop drinking, I ask that that portion of the report be stricken as untrue. And I would note for the record, Your Honor, that any part of the defendant's sentence here surely would contain a condition indicating that she is not to drive without a valid driver's license, which her license is revoked at this point, and the defendant is not driving. She will not drive until she's reinstated.
Correct.
Which will be sometime after she completes probation if she goes through the proper channels. And she's going to have to build up a pattern of sobriety, a pattern of attending meetings, a pattern of demonstrated sobriety. So by very nature, the sentence here will include a condition that she not drive without a valid driver's license. And in some respects, Your Honor, and I'm going to leave it at that. In some respects, even the probation department's recommendation here does acknowledge to a degree that the defendant has completed some terms of condition such that they have withdrawn their recommendation for drug court referral, which is why basically we're asking that the court follow the recommendation.
I must have misread that portion of her stating that she will continue to drink. I don't know where I got that from.
But you read a lot of reports, so that is not the defendant's attitude. As long as you are aware that that is not the defendant's attitude. She's embraced sobriety 100%.
Did you test positive on while you were on here within this courtroom?
Yes, I did. I tested. I had 2 diluted. It came up diluted, which honestly I didn't know that was like, I didn't know that was considered a violation. That was just like me being extremely hydrated, and I did end up testing positive. And then the last time we had court, you asked me could I afford an alcohol tether, and I let you know that I couldn't. So then you suggested sobriety court. And Wyandotte ended up asking me or sentencing me to 5 days because I could not get my alcohol tether.
And yet that was you didn't get the alcohol tether.
But I ended up getting it. I ended up having to get the alcohol tether even though I served 5 days after I got out. So I ended up getting the alcohol tether after I ended up getting help with it and doing it for 30 days. I just got off my tether November the 1st. And I continued to test while on the tether once my probation officer let me know that I had to still test on it.
Okay. Is there anything further?
Nothing.
Okay. Can I get this? It's going to be the census of the court. I'm going to go ahead and adopt the recommendations. And of the probation department. I'm going to place you on an 18-month probation. I want you to attend and complete outpatient treatment upon successful discharge. Shall not use, possess, or consume any alcohol or illegal substances. Shall submit to random urinalysis testing 3 times per month. It says assessed fee of $660. I know those fees are going to probably vary for as long as you'll be on probation. I will review it earlier than the 18-month period, but you shall not use marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card. Complete alcohol highway safety education level 1. Complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving Victims Impact Panel. Watch the consequences video. Shall not operate motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. Pay fines, costs, including supervision fee, like $35 a month and $100 assessment fee. 30 days community service. Let's just put 40 hours of community service.
Your Honor, the defendant did complete some community service.
I've done 70 hours.
She's done 70 hours. All right, correct. We'll put 70 hours of community. Do you have, how are you going to substantiate that?
I have actually sent that over to Dawn Lurst.
Let's put 70 hours of community service or 5 days in the Wayne County Jail.
With credit for 5 days, Your Honor, the defendant did do 5 days as well.
Well, if she did the 70 hours, then she won't, the 5 days won't apply.
Understood.
So it's for 5 days in jail. So she's done 5 days and done 70 hours. That requirement would be satisfied as far as the court's concerned.
Thank you.
And if there's any violations here or in the 27th district, you're going to go straight to drug court with Ms. Judge Shannon Holmes. Right. Plus, you're going to have all the other statutory costs of adopt. Recommendation. Plus any statutory costs. And then I'm going to fine you $240 for the typical fine that I issued for misdemeanor case. All right. So you're digging yourself a pretty deep hole there. I know that's going to. I see you already have about 1,600 in fines with 16th district. I'm sure it's probably going to total up to about 1,600 or so here. I hope that, I know we spoke, and you do, like your counsel said, you do look sober. I hope that you continue to stay sober, and I hope that moving forward after this is all over with, you appreciate the sobriety and potentially continue it. I know you're an adult. You know, people like to drink and that's it. But at the very least, if you don't continue that sobriety, please don't get behind the wheel of a car. Think of other people before you do that, because it could have been much more. You can get beyond this, but it could have been much more serious consequences, especially at the level that you were at that evening. And the terrifying thing is that you didn't even feel that you were that intoxicated. So I hope you learn a lot during this process. I hope you learned a lot now. I'll be praying for you and rooting for you. Hopefully that helps. I will try to do anything that we can do to help you down here at the court to maintain that sobriety and stay away from the criminal justice system. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, Ms. Gonzalez. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You as
Everyone.
well. Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
Very well, very well. We're going to make sure that we're going to try every Wednesday to have two. It just gets very overwhelming, and we talked to them about that. Hopefully they'll accommodate us. Who's your client today?
I have two, Your Honor. I have Mr. Guardado Alvarado and Mr. Garcia Carrera.
All right.
And excuse me, Your Honor, Mr. Guardado Alvarado's case is ready to be called, sir.
Let's do it. Good morning to you, Ms. Robinson.
Good morning, Your Honor. He's in room 10.
Mm-hmm.
You can bring him out.
I don't think I can. If
Oh, yeah.
And good morning, Your Honor. I have Mr. Garcia Carrera, and I wanted to know if he is eligible for the community court program. I'm not sure where the ticket occurred.
Yeah, we can figure that out. We wanted to use her. Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name and your qualifications for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court reporter, number C3822.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Jesus Antonio Bernardo Alvarado, case number U66331723. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jesús Antonio Guardado Alvarado. Número de caso U66331-723. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Jesús Antonio Guardado Alvarado.
My name is Jesús Guardado Alvarado.
Good morning, if it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Guadardo Alvarado.
Buenos días, con el permiso de la corte, soy la abogada Sarah Robinson, número P63181, representando al señor Jesús Antonio Guardado Alvarado.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Do we have an officer here?
Este es el
No,
día
Your
y
Honor.
la hora que habíamos fijado para tener un juicio. ¿Hay un policía presente? No, su señoría.
Judge, I would make a motion to dismiss the case.
Su señoría, quiero presentar un pedimento para que este caso quede desestimado.
Okay, is there Officer E. Crowley? E. Crowley.
Bien, pregunto si aquí está el oficial Crowley, el policía Crowley.
Hearing no response, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. If there's nothing further, Mr. Guardado Alvarado, you have a very good day, and you as well, Ms. Robinson.
Bueno,
Thank you,
no
Your Honor.
oigo respuesta de nadie. Así que reconociendo que nadie ha contestado, voy a conceder su petición que este caso quede desestimado. Si no hay nada adicional, señor Guardado Alvarado, le deseo a usted un muy buen día.
O desestimado y que está cerrado.
So, by dismissed, does that mean that the case has been taken out of the record?
That means the case has been dismissed. The record will reflect it was a charge, an allegation made, but it's going to be, you'll see it on the RO as dismissed.
Significa que el caso quedó desestimado. En su récord aún se va a ver que hubo una alegación, pero que al fin y al cabo el caso lo quitaron.
Ok, está bien. Gracias.
That's
Y
fine.
y le deseo muchas gracias al señor juez y que tenga un feliz día de acción de gracias para la próxima semana.
And I wish the judge a very good day and a very good Thanksgiving next week.
You as well. Thank you, sir.
Usted también, gracias, señor.
A usted también, intérprete, y a la abogada también.
Oh, and to you as well, Miss Interpreter, and to the attorney.
Thank you.
Gracias, señor.
Okay. Who was the other client that you have, Ms. Villaroo?
Mr. Garcia Carrera.
And what's going to go on with him? Who's representing him?
That's Your Honor, I apologize.
Representing him.
You had another client, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, sir. Mr. William Lynch, I would need to speak to the prosecutor for him whenever the moment is right.
Where is Mr. William Lynch? What's your name,
He's
sir?
in a breakout room, 2,
Keontae.
I think.
Keontae Lindsay? Right here. Okay.
Okay, so do you want?
All right, Miss, you said you're ready, Ms. Harris?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You said you were ready?
We're ready on Mr. Garcia Carrera.
This is the city of Detroit versus Raul Garcia Carrera, case number SP 1495220, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1495221. Appearance for the record, please.
Así que llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Roel García Carrera, números de caso S149-5220, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y cargo S149-5221. Que todos digan los nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor, and good morning to your staff. Cherica Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Carrera.
Y buenos días, usted, su señoría. Habla la señora Cherica Harris, abogada para el señor García Carrera, número de abogada P72832. Buenos días a usted y a su personal.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. He wants to go to community court.
Así que este es el día y esta es la hora que teníamos fijada para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Dígame, ¿él quiere pasar ahora a la corte comunitaria?
I think that would be in his best interest. And yes, we would ask if the court would allow him to participate.
Sí, su señoría, pienso que eso sería en el mejor interés de mi cliente y le pido a la corte si él puede entonces participar.
Have you spoken with them about what they would be asking him to do? Is he willing to do the community service?
¿Y usted ha hablado a él acerca de lo que es la corte comunitaria? ¿Está él dispuesto a hacer unas horitas de servicio comunitario?
Yes, Your Honor, I did ask him if he would be willing to do community service, and he did say that he would.
Sí, su señoría, yo le pregunté a él que él estaba dispuesto a hacer horas de servicio comunitario. Él me indicó que sí, que estaba dispuesto.
Okay, I'm gonna allow him to go to community court. Come on back on November the 29th, 2023 at 8:30.
Muy bien, así que voy a permitirle a él que sea parte de la corte comunitaria. Le pido a usted, señor, que regrese el 29 de noviembre del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
All
Yes.
right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Garcia Carrera, I'll see you in a couple of weeks, all right, November 29th, 2023 at 8:30, all right?
Muy bien, entonces, señor García, a menos que usted tenga alguna pregunta o algo adicional, le deseo un buen día y lo veré en 2 semanas, el 29 de noviembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Ok, gracias por todo. Dígale al juez que muchas gracias y que aquí estaré en corte de regreso.
Okay, thank you very much for everything. Please tell the judge, thank you very much, and I will be here. I will come back.
Very well. Have a great holiday season, sir.
Muy bien, y que tenga usted unos días feriados muy felices, señor.
Igual para usted, el juez y todos los trabajadores ahí de la corte.
Same to you and the judge and all of the staff here at the court.
Anyway, it was sent, and I'll get back with you when the time expires, see what you want to do. Well, he didn't really don't respond. He probably respond to you.
I appreciate it.
Okay, so let's keep you updated.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, thank you, Ms. Is that it?
That's it, Your Honor. Thank you so much. And I'm so sorry I wasn't able to join you yesterday, but I will let court interpreting services know that 2 interpreters absolutely have to be scheduled for every Wednesday.
Absolutely, there's just so many. Thank you so much, and tell Mr. Carrera he's free to leave.
Señor Carrera, ya se puede desconectar.
Bueno, muchas gracias, señora. Tenga un buen día, todos.
Well, thank you, ma'am, and I wish everybody a very good day.
Gracias.
Bye-bye, Your Honor. Happy Thanksgiving.
You too.
Bye, Ms. Harris. Feel better.
I told her I had some Buckleys for her, but she didn't want it. What about Delonda Graves? Can we get her gone? Who are your people, Miss Harris? These documents cases, let's get those out of here.
All of the ones with wording in parentheses, those are the people that I have spoken to.
So let's get Yolanda Graves. She's at insurance. And you saw the documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
So everybody with the, in parentheses, those are your cases.
Yep.
Yes.
All right, the city of Detroit, good morning, Ms. Graves versus Yolanda Gail Graves, case number SP 14892-521. Appearance for the record, please.
Director Harris, on behalf of Ms. Graves. Ms. Graves, please state your name.
Yolanda Gail Graves.
Your Honor, Ms. Graves paid a related civil infraction. We are asking the court to dismiss the matter on the docket for today.
I thought she had valid insurance.
Says paid related civil.
This is Raymond on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
You are not guilty of your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grant the motion to dismiss for paid related civil infraction, and I'll waive the warrant fee. Ms. Graves, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You have a cell phone? You need to go online?
Yes, I do.
No, not you, Ms. Graves. Have a great day. I'm talking to your neighbor here. He lives down the block from you somewhere.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a good one. You probably need to get on the phone in the hallway, and we can get you hooked up with a lawyer, right?
So can it not be the same lawyer from last time, because he was kind of rude? Who, Barry? Yes, that's who it was. It was a guy.
Yeah, Mr. What happened last time?
So I was trying to explain to him what happened, or what was going on. Basically trying to get some advice, trying to get some legal advice
We'll get you another.
To not drag this on, because whatever happened.
We'll get you another one. Don't say less. Say less. We'll get you another. Miss Harris?
Yes, sir.
Who else? Let's start pulling them in.
What's your next line?
I didn't know if I could bring them in.
Who's ready?
Lee, Mr. Michael Lee.
I just brought in Grady Shelton. It's a dismissal, valid insurance. I've reviewed it.
All right, Michael Lee. What's Michael Lee gonna do?
He has valid documents, Your Honor.
Can you bring them out?
I certainly will try.
I'll bring them out, Mr. Berry. No worries. I got you. I don't see Michael Lee.
I brought him in.
There he is. Okay.
I'm gonna put in a break room.
City of Detroit versus Michael Stephen Lee, case number SP 1458930, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lee.
Michael Stephen Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, good morning to you. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, that's so Mr. Berry, as purposes of arraignment, go ahead.
Yes, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, as an officer of the court, you reviewed the documents?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you say that the documents are valid?
His documents are valid as to registration and insurance, Your Honor.
All right, very well. I'm gonna dismiss the case, providing valid documentation, Mr. Lee. I'll waive the warrant fees. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Where do I send the documents to?
Mr. Berry already reviewed them, and he's validated those documents for you, so you don't have to send them anywhere. Just make sure you keep them on you in the future, all right? Ms. Harris, have a great day.
Thank you.
What did you have next, Ms. Harris?
Mr. Grady Shelton.
Mr. Grady Shelton. Is Mr. Grady Shelton there? I see you. Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Denise Grady Shelton, case number SP 1476871. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Grady Shelton. Please state your name for the record.
Nas Grady Shelton.
Nas, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Is this a dismissal, valid documents?
Yes, Your Honor, I was able to review the documentation. He does have valid insurance. I think it was a show cause. So for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf.
Yes, Your Honor, valid documents.
And then I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. All right, Mr. Shelton, Gary Shelton, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Next.
Your Honor, could we bring
Nicole
Lamore.
Lamore. And you were saying this
we have Officer Walton here on Marilyn Griffin, even though it is a pretrial date. I believe this is Ms. Griffin got dropped off and she rejoined. Maybe that's the Griffin that's there in the waiting room.
Yes,
it is a dismissal, Your Honor.
Is it? Let's go ahead with Nicole Lamore. Is Nicole Lamore here?
I am.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Nicole Alexis Lamore, case number U66820323. Appearance for the record, please.
Colwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lamore.
Nicole Alexis Lamore.
Yes, David Johnson. Pre-trial. I understand you want a trial date now?
Yes, please.
All right. Trial date's going to be March the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. It was March. You said March 22nd.
Yes, 2024 at 9.
Perfect. Thank you.
Go ahead. Need trial date?
She's about to pull in Lockhart and Leet. They both need trial dates.
Michelle Lockhart.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
This is City of Detroit versus Michelle Lockhart, case number SP 1494304, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lockhart. Ms. Lockhart, please state your name.
Michelle Lockhart.
Your Honor, after discussion with Ms. Lockhart, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lockhart?
Yes.
All right. Trial date is going to be March the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, Ms. Lockhart?
Okay. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
I was wondering if it's a earlier trial date because this is like preventing me from getting new employment. I just recently laid off of my job. And
I apologize, Ms. Lockhart. I apologize. That is correct. Your Honor, we were hoping for an earlier court date. She was denied employment because of this case pending. So if there's any way we could get her in sooner, it would be appreciated. Please and thank you.
Ms. Mathis, can we get her an earlier date?
Let me see. Check December 7th.
December 7th, 2023 at 9 a.m., right?
Yes,
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you,
Have a
Madam
great
Clerk.
day. Up to you.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Lauren Taylor Lee. Case number SB 1484558, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Ms. Leet, please state your name for the record.
Lauren Leet.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lee, you see, I understand you want a trial date as well, right?
Yes.
All right, trial is going to be March the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay. Can I also state something?
Yeah.
I also have valid documents as well.
Yeah, but yours has got the allowing, so bring the documents on that date as well, and then we'll get some kind of resolution to it on that date, all right?
Okay.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too, thank you.
Are we ready on?
Madam Clerk, were we able to verify the license for Mr. Lackey?
I didn't get that request. Would you want me to run his driver's license?
Please and thank you.
Okay. No.
Or could we bring in Damon Gill? I think this is the same person I talked to.
You have the ability to bring them in.
I'm so used to not being able to do that. Sorry.
He's in here. Damon Gill is just there he is. He's connected to audio now.
It's a request for a trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gill.
How you doing?
This is Damon Rico Gill.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Damon Rico Gill, case number SB 102-6674, counts 1, 2, and 3. SB 131-8790, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1466526, counts 1 and 2. State of Michigan versus Damon Rico Gill, case number SX 369-54041. Appearance for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gill, please state your name for the record.
Damon Gill.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gill?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on back. Trial date is going to be March 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. Try to get a valid license and put you in a better position when you come back as well.
I have one, sir.
Oh, do you? Okay, keep it then. Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you said March 22nd?
Yep, 9 a.m.
Okay.
What about Lackey? James Lackey? Has anybody spoke to him? He has a license.
I did. He does have a valid license?
Yes.
Okay, with a valid license, it would be a speeding 1 to 5 over. So we are ready on that matter.
All right, bring them on in.
Sorry.
No, Michael Lee, I will talk to you.
Okay.
Mr. Lackey, you there?
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor?
This is James. Good morning. How you doing? James William Lackey?
James Willie Lackey. Yeah.
Willie, I'm sorry, Willie. So City of Detroit versus James Willie Lackey, case number SB 135-20621, SB 135-20671, 207-238-421, 217-329-591. Hearing for the record, please.
Chair Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lackey, please state your name for the record.
James Willie Lackey.
Your Honor, I have had an opportunity to speak with my client. Today is the date and time set for trial. It is my understanding that because he has a valid license, there is a civil infraction my understanding is that although the docket says it's an accident, it's actually a careless driving. The people are willing to amend that to speeding 1 to 5 over. So instead of 3 points, it's a 1 point violation. Mr. Lackey, you are agreeable to that, correct?
Yes.
What about the other stuff? The no insurance. So she's got a license, so just basically 1 for 3 then? I'm dismissing the license ticket.
Yes, Your Honor. And there
No
was one
ops.
officer who didn't appear.
This no ops wasn't supposed to be scheduled for trial. He pled on that way back in 2021, so that wasn't supposed to be scheduled for trial. He goes 342 on that. So where's the officer? Is the officer here?
They were in the breakout room, Your Honor.
Can we pull the officer out?
I can, Your Honor, sorry.
Let's see. I'll try to pull him out.
I just sent the prompt, but I can go in there as well.
Sometimes you have to keep doing it.
I'll go in.
I thought you were going in. Hill is here too. Officer Hill, can you put your, good morning to you, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Anthony Hill, badge 4598, Detroit, Michigan, 10th Precinct, Your Honor.
It's Corporal Hill. Good morning to you. And Officer Pettit, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Pettit, badge 2519, 10th Precinct.
Detroit Police?
Yes, sir.
All right, I guess we got a resolution. Mr. Lackey does have a valid driver's license. I congratulate you for that, sir. 1 to 5, limited access, $125, dismissing the other cases. Is that what it is, Ms. Harris?
I do not believe it's a limited access 1 to 5. I think it's a normal 1 to 5 over, Your Honor.
Okay.
He did say instead of 3 points, it would be 1 point.
Okay. Very well. 1 to 5. You want to take the deal, Mr. Lackey?
I mean, I guess, yeah.
I mean, it's up to you. I'm dismissing SP 135-20671 for provided valid documentation.
And what the only thing I have?
$125, a 1 point offense. You'll have 1 point on your driver's license, and we'll dismiss the other matters.
Okay, and when does the points go off? I just want to know, because I didn't have my license in so long, and I'm happy that I got them back. So
2 years, I believe. Anybody willing to amend it for limited access, or is that what the prosecutor and the police have? I guess the abstraction is going to be the abstraction anyway. So 2 years, I think. Points will go off.
Okay.
Officer Hill, would you be okay with the limited access 1 to 5?
Yes, I will be.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
Limited access, no points. All right, abstract, $125. Want to take the deal now, sir?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea.
Stipulated, Your Honor. And we stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals.
Yeah. This is amended count of limited access, $1 to $525, dismissing the other matters. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks to pay it, all right?
Okay.
Pay it by the 30th to keep that license.
All right. Can
All
I
right.
can I talk with Ms. Harris in the breakout room?
After we're done,
Okay. I'm sorry. I thought we was done. I'm sorry.
no, after we're done with the other, she's gotta get some other people, so, yeah,
Okay.
we'll just stand by, I'm sure she'll talk to you.
Okay.
All right, Sir Corporal Hill and Officer Pettit, y'all be good out, be safe out there, have a very good day. Always good to see you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
You too, Your Honor.
All right, what's Miss Griffin up there, smiling and laughing and enjoying the day? It's a nice day out there, right, Miss Griffin? Oh,
We're ready on Ms. Griffin.
yeah, but her video, her audio is not connected. Who else are we ready on?
That is all that I had, Your Honor.
Go in the breakout room in number 4 and speak to Mr. Lindsay.
Yeah, Sarah Robinson, her name.
Hello, how are you?
Is that your
Mr.
call? Who's that?
Mr. Barry likely spoke with Mr. Lindsay already. He did the even ones, I did the odd ones.
I know, but he said, I don't know if Mr. Barry spoke with
Oh,
him.
never mind. I heard, never mind.
I did send Barry a
Sorry.
notice.
All right, you, and then speak to Mr. Lackey after you're done with Mr. Lindsay.
Okay.
Who's got trial? William Lynch wants it. Is today the date and time set for a trial?
Sarah Robinson.
Okay.
Oh, there's Miss Griffin.
Yes.
Good morning to you, Miss Griffin. I see you smiling and then enjoying the day and enjoying the show.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear all of that. I'm smiling because I'm confused.
You're confused? Oh, you get, so when you get confused, you smile, huh?
Yeah, a lot.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see. What's confusing about the I can bet the Zoom is kind of confusing. I can bet that, right?
Right, that's number one.
That's number one. All right. All right. Unsecure, unsafe. What's this? The ticket here. It's a dog.
No.
Let me see. Oh. Okay, some kind of business ticket then.
Okay.
Failed to correct code violations, secure, permit, demolish, or replace. Who's
Okay.
handling
Yes.
this script?
Beg your pardon?
You talked to Ms. Harris?
I believe I did, yes.
All right. Let's wait
Okay.
till Ms. Harris comes out. And we will
Well, you want to hear what happened?
no.
No.
Not yet. Not yet. You want to just set a trial date? Did Ms. Harris say we were going to set a trial date?
She said something about letter of compliance, but we got Robinson and Willie Lynch. Attorney Robinson and Willie Lynch.
All right, what about a letter of, you have a letter of compliance, you say?
Yes, I do.
All right. All right, give me a second for Ms. Harris to come on out. Otherwise, how's your day going?
So far, okay.
All right, it's bright and sunny out there. I look at that window out there. There's a lot of sunshine coming in.
I know. And I can't put my Christmas lights out.
Why not?
Because I've been waiting to talk to you.
Oh, I'm holding you up. I'm holding you up, huh? I'm holding you up. I thought today went a lot faster. We changed the routine up a little bit. Now, keep in mind, I've been here since 7 a.m. But we changed the routine up a little bit, and it kind of went a little faster today. But
yes, who is Miss Harris?
Miss Harris is the lawyer.
Oh no, I didn't talk to her. That was somebody that was supposed to meet in the room today.
Yeah, talk to Mr. Berry. Where's Mr. Berry?
I think she did say she.
Or, I thought Ms. Harris did say she spoke to you. Mr. Berry is speaking with somebody. How you doing, Mr. Lynch? He's muted. No.
Hello, good morning.
Lynch, you all right?
Yes, how are you?
Very well. How's your day going so far?
It's okay. I go to work at 2:30. So
Yeah, I used to work the afternoon shift too at 4.
yeah, I try to get all my time, so I got 2:30 to 10:30, so I can stay out of trouble and everything.
That shouldn't, you should be able to stay out of trouble anyway, right?
Yeah, I will.
I guess they do say idle time is the devil's playground, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So you agree with that, don't you? I know Miss Griffin doesn't have any idle time. We hold her up. Hurry up. And for you to get those lights up, Mr. Berry, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who are we ready on?
Mr. Gill, Mr. Damon Gill. Well, no, I apologize. My apologies, Your Honor. He's got a new date. I'm sorry. We've given him a pretrial date.
You were just speaking with.
Yes, and he has a date, Your Honor. I apologize.
He needs a new
because
date?
I talked to him. Yes, gave him a new date, the January 11th date.
What about Mr. Gill?
The January 11th date, Your Honor.
Pull him out the room now. You may have to go in there and grab him out, Mr. Berry.
All right. Where he was. Oh, there he is. Okay. It's an 8.
So how extravagant is your light show, Ms. Griffin?
Sorry, sir, what did you say?
How extravagant do you go with your Christmas lights?
Not like National Lampoon.
Is it indoor and outdoor?
It's outdoor.
All right, we're gonna hurry up and get, because this is a beautiful day.
Yeah, and see, can I tell you what happened?
Yes.
Okay, we had a fire, so we were out of the house for 11 months. So last year we weren't here to put the lights up, and this is why I think I'm appearing now, because a permit was not pulled for the construction, but then, in February, then the contractor and my husband went and pulled the permit. So then now we're clear.
Very good. I'm sorry.
That's why we got a letter. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Griffin. That is correct. And that's what Officer Watson was here to tell you. She was moving to dismiss. Everything is good now.
This is the city of Detroit versus Maryland Griffin, case number V124894423. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Griffin. Ms. Griffin, please state your name. Would you please be quiet?
Marilyn Griffin.
Here's the recommendation to dismiss. We have heard to adopt the recommendation. Ms. Griffin is in compliance.
All right, very well. Based on that compliance, Ms. Griffin, we're gonna adopt the recommendation, dismiss the case. I'm glad you overcame that fire. I know probably being displaced out your home for 11 months was just the kind of terrible thing, but everybody was safe, right?
Yes, everybody was safe.
Great. And now you got a nice home. You're happy with the work?
Happy with the work, and that's why you see how the bright sunshine coming through the window.
And then I'll hurry up, let you get out of here and go hang those lights up, and have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, all right?
Well, thank you very much. So this is all over now, right?
It's all over.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you too.
You as well.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. You feel better now?
Me?
No, it's not what you wanted to hear. I don't know if we're gonna have to satisfy Mr. Lindsay.
Yeah, as soon as it's dismissed, as soon as we get this off.
No, but that's what I'm talking about with the representation.
Oh, yeah, no, I was happy with her.
There we go. I figured. All right, Ms. Robinson, who else do we have?
Yes, sir. Mr. William Lynch.
Are we ready to go on that?
Yes, Judge.
What's gonna happen with that?
It's a guilty plea, and there's two officers that are present. If they could be brought in as well for court. Officer Johnson and Officer Latouf.
Officer Johnson, can you go grab Officer Latouf out of the room?
Yes, sir.
Morning to you. This is the city.
Well on.
Hold on, Mr. Lynch.
Okay.
This city of Detroit versus William Lawrence Lynch, I'm sorry, Jr., case number SP 129-7846, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-7858, counts 1 and counts 2 and 3. SP 131-47281, SP 131-47301, SP 138-00621. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. William Lynch. Mr. Lynch, please state your name.
William Lawrence Lynch, Jr.
All right, Officer Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. And Officer Latouf, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Is he here?
Hello?
No, Officer Latouf, you're not you, Mr. Gill. All right, let's I think he's joining back in. All right, what's the deal gonna be?
The deal is that Mr. Lynch would plead to Officer Latouf's matter SP 138-00621. That would be under a 12-month delay. The recommendation from the people is that he attend a misdemeanor morality class, 12-month delay, all other matters to be dismissed.
You understand that, Mr. Lynch?
Yes.
Can you put your appearance on the record, please? I hear you. Mr. Lynch, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Is this a disorderly conduct? Ms. Robinson?
It's, yes, Judge, it is. It's the obscene conduct in public. Yes, disorderly.
All right. This, Mr. Lynch, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mrs. Robinson went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
Nothing, Your Honor.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to August the 13th, 2022 at around 8:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Longwood and John R. Were you out there on that date and time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Harris, Ms. Robinson, you want to try to establish a factual basis?
Yes. On that date and time, did you have contact with Detroit Police Department Officer Latouf?
Yes.
And at that time, were you engaging in disorderly conduct?
Yes, I was.
And was that in public?
Yes.
Is the court satisfied with that, Your Honor?
Well, that disorderly conduct, were you engaging in an act that caused a lot of police presence over there or some police presence over there?
Well, I was about to engage in an act and they pulled up on me.
I know, you were about to engage in an act that caused some police presence, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And wouldn't you agree that that presence of police disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community over there?
Absolutely.
Very good. All right, then I'm satisfied. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. I'm gonna fine him $240, misdemeanor morality class, and 12-month delay. I'm gonna give you a review date with stipulation of probable cause. I'm gonna dismiss the other matters. Ms. Robinson.
Yes, sir. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
Dismiss the other matters. I'm gonna give you a review date. I want this class done. Let's get him with probation so he can get the class and they can facilitate that for him. You have an ink pen, sir?
I could.
Do you have a phone number?
Yes, I just now got a new phone, so I don't know my phone number by heart. Let me see, can I get it though? Hold on. My phone number is 313-413-5277.
313-413-5277?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I need you to take the number down to probation just so you'll have it. They should call you
Hold on, let me put it down. 313
965
965
3414.
3314. And
34, no, 3414. 3414.
hold on. 3414.
Exactly. So I just need you to, I just want them to help you facilitate where to take that class at. They'll know what's expected. I want you to pay the $240, and I want you to have the class taken by February the 15th. Come back on February 15th, you'll review the matter, okay, at 8:25.
Okay. And now, so you want me to call this number and they're gonna have my info, or they gonna call me? Or?
Well, they should call you. I just want you to have the number just in case you don't hear from them.
Okay, and they're gonna tell me how to get in the program or whatever?
Exactly.
And how long is the program?
It
Do I
should
gotta
be
pay?
a day, half a day or something. It's on online, probably.
Oh, it's gonna be online?
Yes.
Okay, and you said the probation office just gonna instruct me on what to do in the class?
Exactly.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Lynch?
Yes.
All right, if you have any trouble, you can always Zoom in. We can try to help you, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you, and I'll see you back on the February 15th, all right? Of next year.
Okay, and question, when I could be expecting a call or text? Do you want my Gmail?
No, just wait till, if they don't give you a call in the next couple of days, call us before, maybe after Thanksgiving.
Okay, then.
All right, have a great day, sir.
You do as well. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Robinson. Thank you, Officer Latu. Be safe out there, and Officer Johnson, I think he already left. Be safe. Y'all have everybody's free.
Have a good Thanksgiving.
Thank you.
As well. What's going to go on with William Gill?
Your Honor,
Victor Gill.
Your Honor, Mr. Gill is present in the courtroom. I had spoken to him. He had been given a pretrial date.
City of Detroit versus Victor Allen Gill, case number SP 1494036, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gill.
Yes, unmute himself.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
State your name, sir.
Victor Allen Gill.
All right, today is a date and time set for a pretrial. You say, I guess this is the come in compliance, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor. We don't have valid documents here, and there's a speeding ticket that will require an offer.
Oh, so I can give him an opportunity to get some valid insurance. I thought you wanted a pretrial for this.
No, Your Honor. I had given him a pretrial date based upon our protocol today.
I'm trying to get some insurance now, sir.
All right, you have some insurance by November, just January the 11th?
I could, yes. Yes, I will.
And then
yes, I will.
Will you have $175 on that date too?
Yes.
Come back January the 11th, 2024 with some insurance and $175. I'll offer you a blocking traffic for that speeding ticket. Save you points. All right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a great day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. What's gonna go on with Ms. Harris, what's gonna go on with Mr. Lindsay?
Your Honor, we're asking for a trial date and for an attorney to be appointed for discovery purposes as well as resolution purposes.
I'll cut it off for you, Mr. Gill. All right, City of Detroit. What's that? You can step up, Mr. Lindsay. City of Detroit versus Keontae Arnez Lindsay, case numbers. SP 1485989 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1485993 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lindsay, please state your name for the record.
Keontae Arnez Lindsay.
All right, today is the date and time set for pre-trials in the matter. Mr. Lindsay, I'm going to tell you this: you owe money for old tickets that you never paid, quite a bit, and then you don't have to pay the careless driving in the unsafe manner. Those are the tickets that we're going to set a trial/formal hearing for, because that's what he wanted, right?
That is what he wants, Your Honor. He's also asking for I'm suggesting, and he's agreeing to have an attorney appointed. We'll ask for discovery to be preserved in the matter. And just on his behalf, he did indicate that he has a valid license.
You have a license?
I have valid license, I have valid insurance. That was not me today, stop.
Okay, so we have to have a trial. All right, so what's your phone number?
313-659-8761.
Very well. I put that down. We're going to refer appointed counsel to you. You're going to have to answer the phone calls that you might not know. I know everybody's getting a lot of spam, but in this case, you got to answer them, because one of those calls will be that attorney. And then you'll connect with them. I'm going to set a trial date for March the 22nd, 2024. So that gives you some time to you and your attorney to work things out. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right.
You want any paperwork?
Yeah, with the date.
Yeah, that'll be good. All right, Mr. Lindsay, have a good holiday season. All right. And if that lawyer doesn't get in contact with you in the next 2 weeks, feel free to Zoom in or come in. You can always Zoom in or call. We'll see if we can get that taken care of. All right.
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, is that it?
Believe so.